Hello, brothers and sisters. Tonight, I'm going to be making a video on how to make hand sanitizer. Simple and easy hand sanitizer. The ingredients we have here is some aloe vera gel and some alcohol. But it's best that you get the one that says either 70% to 99%, but this is all we could find at the moment. So we're going to work with what we got and let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is pour in 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera gel. Okay, so we're going to do 2 cups, not 2 cups, I'm sorry, but 1/3 of a cup of alcohol. I've already poured in 1/3 already, so I'm doing another 1/3 of a cup of alcohol. I'm gonna mix this. Look how pretty that color is. Do is continue. Okay, so what you want to do is continue to stir until the mixture is well combined. And as you can see, the more you stir, the thicker the formula gets. Yes, you want that thick consistency to it. See that? That's it. Yes. So simple. Now you can go ahead and start sanitizing, folks. Sanitize everything. Your ears, your face, everything. What else surface you need to sanitize? Alright, folks, hope you all enjoyed this video and hopefully it was very beneficial for all the viruses and everything that's out there. So the corona. Alright, folks, see you later. Bye. Also, we have forgotten to mention that if you have a empty leftover sanitizer bottle or whatever, then you can add your mixture to that, or you can just leave it in the cup, but we prefer cover it so it don't dry. Interrupt me when I'm just talking. Okay, excuse me. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and add it to our bottle. Where's the funnel at? Go give me the funnel. Sure thing, boss. Right, that's right. Twin power at its best. All right, folks, we're done. Oh wait, no we're not. No we're not. You're just showing me. You're pouring it in there. Okay. Jello. Just don't eat it, or it will tear up your insides. You have to go to the hospital. Yes, you will. And hopefully you survive. Alright, folks. Put a top on that thing. Top on that thing. Okay. So instant hand sanitizer. Of course, make sure your pump works. And that was the old one, by the way. Oops, you knocked over the bottle. That's the presentation. I'm sorry. So, there you go. There we have it. Ooh, that's burning. Alright, folks, that's how you know this is Hollywood. Killing them germs. Alright, this is Lavenne 19 and on our tap 19 checking out. Twin power. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, folks.